Alright, today I wanted to talk about our outdoor furniture. This set is amazing. It's made by a company called POLYWOOD, and it's basically recycled plastic, the whole table. As you can see, chairs are nice and heavy, sturdy. Comes with 6 seats, nice big table with three slats in it. There's a hole in the middle of the table. You can put an umbrella. We've got it sitting out here on our patio in Florida. It's hot and humid all the time. And unlike wood, it won't expand and contract and crack and leave slivers and things like that. So overall, we're really happy with this table. It works great for us. It's heavy duty enough but light enough that when we have people over we can just pick up the table, slide it out. Otherwise we kind of store it up here against the wall. Once again, POLYWOOD table, 6 chairs. Really enjoy it.